guys, welcome to this channel. This time we have some pair of words that we often confuse. For instance, how to use them, when to use them, or what's the difference between the words. English is filled with confusing words that sound alike, however they are spelled differently. It's additionally full of words that share similar but not identical meanings and that are simple to misuse. We have 5 pairs of words this day. We will move with our first pair, accept and accept. Accept means to agree with something offered. It's a verb. And accept means excluding something or with the exception of. Accept means to receive something or to believe in something to be true. The more he tried to accept the idea, the harder it became to swallow. Here accept is used because he needs to believe in an idea to be true. Accept is a preposition and also used as a conjunction. When we use it as a preposition, it means but, and as a conjunction, accept is often followed by that, and it means only or except. However, it can also be used as a verb meaning to leave out. I have some works to do this week except for Monday. That means I am busy the other days of the week excluding Monday. So we don't say, will you accept my gift? Well, the X of accept can help you to remember that it means excluding or leaving someone or something out. And for the example of accept, we can say, we accept the love we think we deserve. The following pair is advice and advise. The word advice is a noun. It means an opinion or recommendation that is offered as a course of action. And advice is pronounced with an ending sound like ice. And the word advise is a verb. It means to offer an opinion or suggestion or formally provide the information. In other words, to advise means to give advice. My mother always advises me to bring a jacket to the piano class. Synonyms of advise are to suggest or to give suggestions. So when someone gives you a suggestion about what you should do, that's an advice. In this case, it's an uncountable noun. That means you can't have an advice or many pieces of advice. You have done this before, please give me your advice. You will see the expressions that divide advice into in need of measurements that can be pluralized, such as pieces of advice or words of advice. A person who gives advice formally or regularly is an advisor or an advisor. The next pair is principle or principle. Principle is both a noun and an adjective with a few different uses. As a noun, principle has a few different meanings. The most common meaning is used to refer to a person of high authority, someone who holds or plays an important role. An example of this would be, Mr. Kim is the president of the high school. In finance, principle refers to a loan amount requiring repayment. And in law, principle refers to a person having prime responsibility for an obligation or the main actor in the preparation of a crime. A few examples would be, how much have you repaid on the principal of your loan? He was the principal in this crime acting alone. As an adjective, principal has the sense of chief, leading, or primary. Asthma is the principal cause of school absences among children. In this sentence, principle is modifying the word cause. A principle is a fundamental idea, belief, philosophy, or rule. The word principle appears only in the form of the noun. It can be plural, like you are a man of principles. A few popular phrases use the word principle, so while using these phrases, we have to be sure that we don't accidentally use principle. For example, in principle, I agree with you. On principle, I agree with you. And as a matter of principle, I must take a stand. We can also remember the mnemonic, the principal has his principles. Well, mnemonic means a pattern of letters, ideas, or associations that assist in remembering something. The next pair is stationery and stationery. Stationery means motionless or something which is still and not moving, and stationery means writing paper and writing implements. These two words look so alike, but they couldn't be further apart in meaning or their function. We can use the adjective stationary to describe something. For example, we have been stuck in a stationary traffic for over 3 hours. And for the word stationery, it would be the shop sells stationery and stuff. Then comes a word or reward. An award is a huge prize to give for someone's achievement, and a reward is a small token of appreciation for someone's hard work or effort. Think you did good in school and got the highest marks in the exam, and so you got a trophy, which is an award. And when you come home, your parents were happy and they bought you a new laptop, which is a reward for your hard work. So word can be used as a noun or a verb. For example, he has been awarded a scholarship for 3 years. Although these two words are marked as synonyms for each other, they have a thin difference between their meaning. But reward is less formal than a word. The employees were rewarded for their good work. So that was all for today. Hope you are having a good time. Stay safe and take care of your health. Wear the mask and hope you won't confuse these words anymore. If this helped you, give a thumbs up and subscribe. And check out the other videos in this channel. Stay in touch.